This is a 100% cotton white t-shirt. It has been pre-washed, soaked in soda ash, spun out, and it is currently inside out. Today we're going to be doing a variation of a roll, and that's an old Shibori method. It's been used for a very long time. So far, I've drawn a straight line directly underneath the armpits. We're going to fold over that line. Make sure there are no wrinkles. At this point, we're going to draw a line from just past the center to behind the neckline, going past. So this will be going from here to basically here. So at this point, we are going to start rolling this shirt directly to this corner. You're going to start at the center section, make a nice and very tight roll in the beginning, and make sure to keep that tight. I like to keep the line between my two fingers kind of as a guide. And we just roll and keep it flat so there are no wrinkles that stay in it. I push some of the excess out as I keep rolling. I straighten out the sides too, just so it doesn't get too wrinkled. Make sure to keep it tight, keep tight pressure, and just keep rolling. Towards the end, it can get a little tight, but you'll get there. And at this point, we are going to bend it directly on this line. So the line will be at the center. Pull this a little bit straight, just so some of the wrinkles come out. Squeeze this together. And we're going to be using rubber bands. You don't want any tight lines for this method at least. Next, we will be moving this to our little ice gutter. We're going to be flowing from the top down.